Hello, welcome back to English Corner. I am so happy to see you again for Lesson 2. In Lesson 1, we learned how to say hello, good morning, my name is, and nice to meet you. Today, we will share more details about ourselves. To tell someone where you live or where you were born, you can say, I am from. For example, I am from Brazil, or I am from Tokyo. Where are you from? Next, let's talk about what you do. You can say, I am a student, or I am a teacher. This tells people about your daily life. Try saying, I am a student. Let's put it all together. My name is Anna. I am from Italy. I am a doctor. When you share these details, it helps people get to know you better. It is a great way to make friends. Now it is your turn. We will practice 3 phrases. Remember to speak slowly. Say, my name is. Excellent. Now say, I am from. Well done. Finally say, I am a student. Great job. Today we learned how to share where we are from and what we do. You are doing very well. Every day, you get better. Keep practicing your introduction until it feels easy. In our next lesson, we will learn how to talk about your family. I can't wait to see you there. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in Lesson 2.